Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is extra exciting because this is the first official week going into January of 2022. So Christmas is officially over, but the planner is not. I am still continuing. If you guys saw my planner 2022 lineup, I am continuing in my social media dashboard planner because it is a 18-month planner. So, if you were to flip over this left-hand page, then you would see my last week's spread, which is not the case in my brand new catch-all vertical planner. So hopefully that makes sense. But anyways, I am using one of probably my top 10 favorite sticker books of all time from the Happy Planner, and it originally came from a Be Happy box at the beginning of 2019, and it was called Year to Shine, and there was all sorts of stickers about the new year, new me, fresh start, focus, potential, like saying hello everywhere. It was just so cute, which is that first sticker book that I showed, and it also had sticky notes, and I actually used one of those sticky notes. I put it on Tuesday, that one that says hello, that circle. I just put permanent tape runner on the back of it. But that is the sticker book that came with it. It's an accessory book, which means it comes with that extra fold of sticky notes, and it also came with like a hat and a mug and a whole planner cover and a half sheet notebook, just tons of things. It's like the cutest thing ever, and it's one of probably my favorite Be Happy boxes ever. That or the first one that ever came out, which is like really bright, fun, beautiful colors. But anyways, this is my social media planner, and I am continuing it like I had already mentioned, but this year I really want to try new things each week. I want to do more layering. I want to do more like taking risks on the side. I want to use a lot more of the like large Mambi sticks. Scrapbook paper, of course, because I have now found a newfound love for that, ripping it and putting it in the pages, and layering, of course. I don't know if I already said layering, but I just love the dashboard planner. I think there are so many different ways to use it, to decorate it, to make it functional for exactly what you need, which is why I'm so excited to continue in it. So this is always my top favorite sticker book to use for the first beginning of January, if not even in my monthly as well. I might even use it in my monthly in my catch-all, but it's just like a clean, fresh blue, and the copper, it's just so much fun. So I did a few different areas that I normally don't. Like I did that big cloud at the bottom with the quote on top, and I did those little flags and everything. I also forgot to put down this washi, which I came in after to do. And then I also realized that it came with, like, the Be Happy box came with these big huge Mambi sticks, so I put one of those down. So that is going to be it. I think it is just so fun, so cute. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and I will talk to you in the next one. Bye, guys.